Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you Rugify, an automated trading bot with rug pull protection. Let's get started. Features: automated token management, easily create and manage MEMECOIN contracts with smart automation and timing controls. You can schedule contract actions, control launch phases, and optimize timing to get the best results. Whether you're launching a hype token or handling multiple projects, this tool gives you full control. Advanced security. Rugify uses high-level encryption and secure wallet integration to keep your assets and trades safe. It uses military-grade security to protect your data, private keys, and transactions from hackers. Now, lightning-fast execution. Perform token actions like buying, selling, or cloning in milliseconds. So thanks to Rugify's fast system, this means you won't miss important opportunities even during busy market times. Precision targeting. Rugify uses smart algorithms to analyze the market in real time. It helps you find trending tokens and key wallet activities so you can make smarter trades and increase your chances of profit. Custom scripts. Create custom smart contracts and automation scripts to fit your needs. You can set supply limits, taxes, launch timing, and more to build your project exactly how you want. Real-time monitoring. Track everything with a dashboard that shows live analytics, alerts, and performance. Get instant updates on trades and prices so you can react quickly and manage multiple tokens easily. How it works. Connect to Telegram. Start by chatting with Rugify Rug Bot on Telegram and link your trading account. Configure your strategy. Set up your strategy using the easy interface. Choose token supply, taxes, trading limits, and more without needing any coding. You can also schedule launches and set risk controls. Execute and monitor. Launch your strategy and watch its progress with live data and alerts. Stay informed about price changes, wallet activity, and important events. Now let's move on into the Telegram bot. All the links, including a referral to get 1 week of premium access to the bot for free, will be in the description below. Bundler. Use these to manage your strategies. If you have many wallets, set the max wallets to 20. Tasks. This lets you set the bot to trade automatically and see your tasks. Tokens. So here you create and manage tokens here. You can clone tokens and pump them. If you remove a token, it stays on pump.fun and can be re-added anytime. Comments. Create comments on tokens using the bot. There is a minimum 10-second delay between comments, which you can adjust. Wallets. Import your wallet to start trading and withdraw funds. There's also bundle wallets, so the bot can create bundled wallets for you. Now let's check out their Twitter page. They recently updated their bot, showing they keep improving it. They've been in crypto for a while, building trust and a strong community. Follow them on Twitter to get real-time updates and news about new features. For more info about Rugify as a company, check out the FAQ section on their bot. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in smart crypto tools, keep an eye on Rugify. Their bot has many features to help simplify and improve your trading. I'll share more updates soon. See you in the next video.